If you're encountering an assignment error on Docebo 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check user enrollment. Verify that the user experiencing the error is properly enrolled in the course. Go to the course management section and confirm their enrollment status. Step 2. Review course settings. Examine the course settings to ensure that all necessary configurations are correctly set. Look for any restrictions or prerequisites that may be causing the error. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update user permissions. Ensure that the user has the correct permissions to access the course. Check their role and permission settings in the administration panel to confirm they have the necessary access. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Docebo's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the assignment error on Docebo 2026 effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.